So in this video I'm going to be showing you the things that you need to do when you are starting out on YouTube, because I've been on this YouTube space for 1 year, and if I can remember 4 months or so on YouTube. I've been on YouTube for 1 year and 4 months. So, and these are some of the mistakes that I made, and it cost me a lot, which you shouldn't make that mistakes when you are starting out on YouTube. So when you are starting out on YouTube, there is a lot of things that you always want to make it right, like getting subscribers, getting watch time, and getting engagement. But you need to also like go away from those some things when you are starting out on YouTube and you want to be successful on this platform. So there are some things that you need to detach yourself from, which can help your channel to grow. And I'm going to be addressing that because I've been on this space for a year and so, because I'm having some knowledge about this platform, which I think I have some stand in it that to share with you guys what you need not to do when you are starting out on YouTube. Number one thing that you need to not do when you are starting out on YouTube: don't share your videos to your friends. Don't share your videos to your friends. This is why when you start on YouTube and you are sharing your videos to your friends, this is what is going to happen. They are just going to click on that particular video and just go to your channel and check maybe within 1 minute of your video and see what you are doing. And within that 1 minute period, if they just see what you are doing and within that 1 minute period, they are going to click off. They are not going to watch that particular video in full. They are not going to watch it in full. They will just click portion of it and watch it and leave that particular video. And let's say if about 100 people or 50 people of your friends did that, then YouTube is going to recognize your video as bad video, or video that is not useful to their platform, and they are not going to push it out. They're not going to push it out. They're not going to push it out. The second thing that you need to do when you are starting out on YouTube is that don't boost your subscribers. Don't boost your subscribers. Or don't boost your subscribers. Like there is some platforms that is there, and there is some platform that is there that, like they are having some platforms that they will say that, oh, you can boost your subscribers on this platform, and some people will go and like subscribe to those platforms and link their channel and boost it, and they'll get a lot of subscribers. But let me tell you what it does to your channel. Let's say if you are having a lot of subscribers, let's say you are having about 2,000 subscribers on your channel, and out of that 2,000 subscribers, you post video and you're getting about 5 views, 10 views on your videos. This is what is going to happen. This is what is going to happen. YouTube is going to see like, okay, this particular channel is dead, because if it is not dead, look at the number of people that are subscribed to the channel and they are not watching that particular channel, and they are not going to push your video out. They are not going to push your video out. This is what is going to also happen. They are not going to push your video out. The third thing that you need to do when you are starting out on YouTube is that don't always share your videos to platforms that your videos are not related to, like groups that your videos are not related to. Let's say you are doing video about cooking and you're sharing your videos to how to grow on YouTube or how to grow on social media. Nobody is going to watch it, or some people are going to click on it and they'll just watch some small portion of your video and leave it. They are not going to continue watching it. They are not going to continue watching it. They'll just watch small portion of your video and leave it. They are not going to watch it completely, and it's going to flag it in YouTube that it's a bad video, and YouTube is never going to recommend it to people. The next thing that you need to do when you are starting out on YouTube is that don't tell anybody that you are starting a YouTube channel, because when you tell anybody that you are starting a YouTube channel, they are going to search your name on the channel. They will try their possible ways to know what you are starting, like the name of your channel, and search it and see what you are doing. As this, like they are trying to search, they will search some. If you are using your real name, they are going to get your channel name, click on your profile and see what you are doing. They will just watch some small things on small portion of your videos and see what you are doing, and they will not watch all, and YouTube is going to flag it as also bad videos, and they are not going to send it out. they're now going to send it out to the right audience that was supposed to see it. So the next thing that you need to do, or you need not to do when you are starting out on YouTube, is that don't be posting like you post one video within a month, or 1 month and another video another month or so. Make sure you are consistent. At least if you can post 2 or 3 videos every week, make sure you are doing so. Make sure you post at least 2 or 3 videos every week, because it is going to show YouTube that this particular channel is serious, or this particular channel is serious, and he's feeding our system with content. So we need to also show that particular person some love, and they're going to show your videos out. But when you're posting 1 video every month, or 1 videos in 2 months or so, then YouTube is going to see that this person is not serious, and your videos are not going to be pushed that much. And when you are also starting out, don't do this. Don't be looking at the statistics, like don't be looking at the views, because when you are starting out and you're looking at the views, then you're going to be discouraged. And when you are discouraged, you're not going to continue to make videos, because when you are starting out, nobody knows you. You're not going to be getting views on your videos, and some people are going to be discouraged that they are not getting views on their videos, and because of that they will give up. And when you're starting out, don't be looking at all these things. The views are going to come when you are consistent and you're posting all the time. The views are going to come by itself. So I think these are some of the tips that it is good that I share with you guys. When you are starting out on YouTube, you don't be doing those things and be falling should be a trap that is never going to push your video out, or putting your channel in the right foot for it to grow. So when you are starting out, don't be looking at these kind of things. Just make sure that you are doing the right things. Make sure you are doing the right things. And I'll be sharing in my next video the right things that you need to do when you're starting out on YouTube. If this video was helpful and you think I'm having the right stand to share with you guys the right things that you need to do when you are starting out on YouTube, make sure you are subscribing to the channel, and in this channel share ways to grow on these particular platforms and make money on it. So I think I'll leave you guys here for now. Bye bye for now. Peace out.